Hi, I'm Denise Gagne, and this is your music teaching tip of the day. Want a class set of egg shakers but don't have funding for it? Make your own. These were purchased after Easter, and you can get all sorts of colorful ones. You do have to tape them close because little ones can get them apart if you just hot glue gun. So tape with regular tape, then tape with plastic tape. One Easter, I made a set of them with my grandkids instead of dyeing Easter eggs. And this is the beautiful one that Hunter made. And it has great things inside. Generally, I just use popcorn, and it gives a little bit more weight to the egg shaker, and it has a nice sound. For more music teaching tips, follow Musicplay on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter.